Did you know you can completely customize the control center on your Vivo phone? You can add your favorite shortcuts, remove the ones you never use, and organize everything exactly the way you like it. At the end, show different settings to access Control Center like Samsung phone. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the Control Center on the Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Step 1. Edit Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. Here you'll see quick toggles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flashlight, mobile data, and more. To customize it, tap the Edit button or the pencil icon in the Control Center. Depending on your software version, you may also need to tap the three-dot menu and select Edit. You'll now see all the available quick settings. Now you can personalize your Control Center. Drag your favorite shortcuts into the top of the panel to add it. Choose the shortcuts you use most often for faster access. Move shortcuts to bottom you don't use. You can also rearrange the order of the icons. Just press and hold a shortcut, then drag it to a new position. Place your most frequently used controls at the top for quicker access. Once you're done, tap Done in the top right corner. Step 2. Change Vivo Control Center settings. Swipe down to open the Control Center. Tap two dots in the top right corner. Tap Control Center Settings. Two options available here. Separate Display Control Center when you swipe down from the top right and View Notification when you swipe down from the top left of the screen. Merge. Swipe down from the top of the screen to view both Quick Panel and notifications. Choose from Separate or Merge. You can access Control Panel from the lock screen in your phone. And that's how you can customize the Control Center on your Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.